What is variable? A variable is a container for storing data that can be referenced and used in a program. Variables are fundamental for creating dynamic, reusable, and maintainable code. Declaring variables. JavaScript allows variables to be declared using var, let, and const. Var, old way of declaring variables, less preferred. Let, used for variables that can change later. Const, used for variables that should not change. Rules for naming variables. Must begin with a letter, underscore, or $. Can include letters, numbers, underscores, or $signs, no spaces. Variables can store different data types. Strings, text for example, hello, numbers, integers or decimals. Booleans, true or false. Objects, arrays, functions, etc. Summary 1. Variables are used to store data for reuse in programs. 2. Use let and constant for modern JavaScript development. 3. Variables must have descriptive names to enhance code readability. Use constant for values that do not change. Use let for variables that may change. Avoid var unless necessary for legacy code. Thanks for watching. If you liked the content, so please like and subscribe to channel.